Hello, store owners. Today, I want to walk you through what happens behind the scenes when someone registers for a wholesale account on my store. Specifically, all the emails that go out during registration and approval. Once you understand this flow, you'll know exactly what your customers and your admin team can expect at each stage. This all starts with one setting. If I go to Wholesale, then Settings, then the Wholesale Lead Capture tab, and scroll down to Lead Actions, I'll find Auto Approve New Leads. I've got two options here, manual approval required or automatic approval. And this single choice determines how the whole email flow plays out. Let's say I've got manual approval required turned on, like it is here. When someone registers, their account gets created but set to inactive, and I get notified by email that a new registration is waiting. The customer also gets a confirmation email with their login credentials. Then, when I'm ready, I come here to my wholesale leads list, find the pending registration, and approve it. And that's when the customer gets one more email letting them know their account is now active. Now, if I switch this over to automatic approval instead, the flow changes a bit. As soon as someone registers, their account is set to active right away. No waiting on me. I still get notified by email, but this time it tells me the registration was auto-approved. The customer gets 2 emails instead of 1 this time. Their confirmation with credentials and a separate account activation email, both landing pretty much straight away. If any of these emails aren't showing up, that's almost always a mail delivery issue rather than a wholesale suite problem. This is really common with WordPress sites in general. I've got a troubleshooting guide linked in the full article that walks through the most common fixes, so that's the first place I'd check. So that's the full picture. One setting under Lead Actions decides whether your customers wait for approval or get in right away, and each path sends its own set of emails to keep everyone in the loop. I'll link the full article below if you want to dig deeper. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.